Hello students, in this video we are discussing CBSE Class 10 NCERT Maths textbook 8th chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, exercise 8.4, the 9th subdivision, and in question number 5. Okay, so we are given an identity and we are asked to prove it. Okay, here they have given us a hint, simplify LHS and RHS separately. Okay, let us not take this into account and we'll just keep trying, because every time we can't expect in the exam also to give us these hints. Okay, so ignoring this hint, we'll just try to solve and we will see how we are able to do it or not. Okay, so first, as we usually do, we'll take the left hand side. Look at the question. You have cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A equal to 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay, so both are going to be different, so we are going to apply something, we're going to do something. So we'll just first take the left hand side. So you have cosecant A minus sin A, secant A minus cos A. So first let me bring it down to sin and cos. So let me substitute for cosecant A 1 by sin and secant A 1 by cos. So what will I get now? What do I have here? I have cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A. Okay, so now I'm going to substitute 1 by sin A minus sin A into 1 by cos A minus cos A. So next step, I'll take the LCM here for individually. So I'll have 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A into 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. Looking at these numerators, you should immediately think about the first identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So from this we can write sin square A is equal to what? 1 minus cos square A. Similarly, cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So that's what we are going to apply here now. So 1 minus sin square A is what? Cos square A. Okay. Divided by sin A into, so here you will have sin square A divided by cos A. So look at these two, you have cos A or cos square A. So cancel this, cancel this. So what do you have now? You have cos A into sin A, or you can write it as sin A cos A. Okay, what next to do we do not know, because we feel it is very much simplified. Okay, now look at the right hand side. Right hand side is given as 1 by tan A plus cot A. But here I have arrived at a very simple value, wherein I should make something little more complicated to bring it to 1 by tan A plus cot A. So this is when you don't have a hint, you should start thinking, what if I try solving the right hand side also separately? Okay, so this is my left hand side. Okay, this is my left hand side. So now let me solve the right hand side. What is my right hand side? 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay, so you have 1 by tan A plus cot A. So you can write it in terms of 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. See, remember, usually when you have 1 by A by B, you can immediately write it as B by A. But this you cannot apply for this, because you have something together, C by B. So you can't write it as B by C like that. So this is wrong. Okay, so you should first simplify whatever is here, and then only you should try to take the reciprocal. So be very careful with these things. Many children tend to make mistakes here. So what you will have? You will have 1 by cross multiply. You will have sine square A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A. So you will have 1 by sin square A plus cos square A is what? So 1 by sin A cos A. Okay. Now you can try to take it up. So you will have sin A cos A. So this is what you got for solving the right hand side. So now see, you got for the left hand side also sin A cos A, for the right hand side also sin A cos A. So thus you can say that your left hand side is equal to your right hand side, hence proved. Is it clear, children? Yes. So please go through this. Try not to make any mistakes here. Okay, it's very simple, it's very easy. So even if the hint is not given, automatically when you go and get stuck up here, start thinking to work out on the right hand side. Okay, so then you will automatically come back to this. So here also we came back to the same value. So we were able to prove the given identity. So what we did first? First we took these two, made it simpler in terms of sin and cos, and then we found out it to be sin A cos A. Likewise, we took the right hand side also, made it very simple in terms of sin and cos, and then we got the answer as sin A cos A. So that's all, children. So we are done with this question here. Hope you understood. So we have one more question for this exercise to complete. Okay, so I'll be doing that in the next video. Please listen, please solve the questions again and again. If you have any doubt, please listen to the video again. See you again in the next video, children. Thank you, children.